So hello guys, today we're gonna talk about how we can find out the error codes of Panasonic air conditioners. So let's find out the error codes using AC remote control. So as you can see, this is the remote control of a Panasonic Inverter air conditioner. Let's see how we can find out the error codes using this. First of all, we need to make it sure that the time in the display of our remote control should be stop blinking. You can't function error checks while the time blinking in the display. To stop blinking, press the clock button in the remote control. And the second thing is, we have to make it sure that our remote control is on mode. So turn our remote control is on, click on off button. So now we're gonna find out the error code we suffering with. So as you can see, there is a check button in the remote. We have to press and hold this button 5 to 10 seconds. Press this button using any pen, pencil or whatever you can use. After that, the display will be blank and have two dashes in the display. Now as you can see, there are arrow keys for temperature setup, and the other one in the timer section also have up and down keys. We will use up and down arrow keys from the timer section. So as we will press up and down keys, there will be some numbers you can see in the display. Press up or down keys until the remote control give beep sound. As you have beep sound in the remote, check what is the number in the display. That would be your AC error. For example, I am pressing up arrow key again and again. Now as you can see, in the display have 1 error with the beep sound. So finally I have my error code of my AC unit, and the meaning of 1 error code or 11 error code is communication failure between indoor to outdoor unit. So the wire or have some problem in communication between indoor to outdoor unit. To find out the meaning of error codes, we need a complete list of Panasonic Inverter AC error codes. I am providing a link in the description to check the list of Panasonic Inverter AC error codes. You can visit the site and find out your AC error codes. That's it. Hit the like button if the video is helpful for you. If you have any question, comment us below. We will try our best to help you out. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.